In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to your images in WordPress using Yoast SEO. This quick and essential skill can make your website more accessible and improve your SEO. Now, let's get started. First, let's navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage posts, pages, and all your website settings. Once you're logged in, choose the post or page you need to edit. You'll find this option on the left-hand side menu under either Posts or Pages, depending on where your content is housed. If you click on it, you'll be able to see a list of all your existing content. Select the one you want to edit by clicking on its title. Now that you have your post or page open within the WordPress editor, you'll be able to see all the different content blocks you've created. WordPress has a user-friendly block-based editor, which allows you to edit different parts of your content individually. The block we're particularly interested in today is the image block. Scroll through your page until you find an image that you want to update with alt text. Once you've found your image, simply click on it. This action will open up more options specific to the image block you're working with. You'll notice on the right-hand side a sidebar that provides a variety of settings related to your selected block. This sidebar is a powerful tool, so it's worth getting familiar with it. Here, you'll find an input field marked Alt Text, Alternative Text. This is where you enter your alt text. Adding alt text is simple yet important. Alt text serves as a description for your images and plays a crucial role in SEO. What you need to add here is a short, descriptive piece of text that explains what the image is about. Imagine you need to describe the image to someone who can't see it. That's precisely what alt text does. It makes your content more accessible to visually impaired users and ensures search engine crawlers understand what the image is depicting. Keep it concise, but informative. After entering your alt text, take a moment to review everything you've done. It's always good practice to make sure you've entered the text correctly and that it makes sense with the overall content. Once everything looks good, you're almost there. The final step is to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Update button, located at the top right corner of the page. This ensures all your edits, including the new alt text, are saved and reflected on your live site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added alt text to your images using Yoast SEO on WordPress, enhancing both accessibility and SEO. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips.